Woke up today, the fire's inside. No slowing down, we're ready to ride. Every step is a victory. We're moving fast, we're setting free. Feel the pulse, feel the beat. Step by step, we won't retreat. We're on the rise, we're on the grind. Nothing can stop us, we've made up our mind. Keep moving forward, don't look back. We're breaking limits, staying on track. With every breath we rise again. We're unstoppable, we'll never bend. The sweat's pouring, but we don't stop. We're climbing higher, we're reaching the top. Every challenge is a chance to grow. We're pushing harder, we're in control.